Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word insurrections. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The country experienced several violent insurrections as citizens revolted against the corrupt government. Insurrections refer to violent uprisings or rebellions against authority, typically carried out by a group of individuals seeking to overthrow the government. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.